In this video, we're covering a more complex setup. You want to connect both framed and unframed prints to Artelo, but your Etsy listing also includes options we don't fulfill, like acrylic or metal prints. This case builds on everything we did in case 3. You'll still have a size that can only be printed, not framed, but now we're adding a completely unsupported format into the mix. This setup is helpful if your listing includes sizes that Artelo can print and frame, a size that can be printed but not framed, and a format that Artelo doesn't fulfill, like acrylic. In our example, let's say you sell 12 by 16 and 16 by 20 prints available as unframed and acrylic. You want to start fulfilling the unframed prints through Artelo and add 2 new framed options, premium natural oak and black oak. In addition, we want to offer a 24 by 30 size that Artelo can print but not frame. Since Artelo doesn't support acrylic prints or framing for 24 by 30, I'll show you how to connect just the variants we can fulfill while keeping everything else exactly as it is. Here's how your Etsy listing currently looks. Here you can see our sizes and display options. Let's jump into the steps. We'll start by creating a product template for all the variants we want Artelo to fulfill, framed and unframed. This saves time if you use the same structure across multiple listings. Head to your templates page and click Create Template. Choose the stores you want this template to be connected to. I'll choose Etsy for now, but the steps are the same for Shopify. Click Add Product Type, Individual Art Print, choose your paper type, and check off all the product options we want Artelo to handle: unframed, premium natural oak, premium black oak. For sizes, we'll select 12 by 16, 16 by 20, and 24 by 30 can only be printed and not framed, so to include it, toggle on unframeable sizes. Now we can select it. This gives us a total of 7 products across all display options. You can see all of our products here. Name your template. Click Next. You can add new listing images or skip if you want to use the ones already in your Etsy listing. Choose a shipping profile or leave it blank if you want to assign it later. Now we're going to align our variant structure with Etsy's. Your existing listing has 2 dropdowns, size and display options. Since we're adding framed variants and keeping acrylic untouched, we need to reflect that structure here. For the first dropdown, click Size. For the second, click Frame. Click the yellow Edit button on the second variation group and change the name to Display Options to match your Etsy listing. Now add acrylic to this list by clicking Add Option, typing acrylic, and clicking Save. Even though Artelo doesn't fulfill acrylic, including it here keeps your listing structure intact and avoids disrupting it. You'll see 2 grayed out variants, 24 by 30 with natural and black oak. These aren't fulfillable, but Etsy requires them to complete the variation matrix. We'll make them invisible to customers. You can see your final structure here. If you want to change the order, you can do that in Edit. You can enter your listing details now or have them pulled from your current Etsy listing later. Now let's create a product set using the template we just built. Click Add Designs and upload your art. Name your product. Click Connect to an existing listing. Select which parts of your template you want to override. Check variation structure since we changed it in the template. Check variant prices and shipping profile if you set those earlier. I didn't, so I'll skip those. Search for your Etsy listing by title and select it. Now you'll map each Artelo product to the correct Etsy variant. The options on the right will be pulled from your current Etsy listings variants. Match your 12x16 unframed Artelo product to your 12x16 unframed variant on Etsy. Match your 16x20 unframed Artelo product to your 16x20 unframed variant on Etsy. For the new 24x30 size and the framed options, click the green plus icon next to each product to create new variants. You can add or edit listing images here. Choose a shipping profile. And double check that all your variants are in place. If you have photos of different frame styles, enable Set Variant Images based on this variation under Display Options. Set your retail prices if you haven't done so. If you have many variants, use the bulk pricing tool, which only affects Artelo connected variants. If not, you can enter them manually. Enter your SKUs. Only SKUs with asterisks are required. Make sure the prices for your acrylic variants are still correct. Even though Artelo won't fulfill them, we'll carry that data over to Etsy. To update individual variant images, click the trash can icon and select a replacement from your gallery. Now we'll go to listing details. I want to keep what was pulled from Etsy, so I'll skip this. Now I'll review my listing. Everything looks right here, so I'll publish my listing. Let's view the updated version. Now you can see our sizes, our new ones here, our display options with our frames, and the acrylic is still intact. And that's it for case 4. In the next video, we'll cover case 5, which is perfect for sellers who offer sizes that can't all be fulfilled by Artelo. You'll see how to connect just the sizes we support and leave the others untouched. Thanks for watching.